This is how water filter companies scam you. We're going to get into it right now for you to fully understand. The lion's share of what's in this industry is called sticker companies. What does sticker companies mean? It means that Chuck in the truck, Tom, anybody, all they need to do is buy a control valve. They need to buy a distributor, filter material, put it together in their garage and sell it to you and say, it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. And they just got to have a great website, and we get that feeling because you're buying it from inside your house. They have a colorful brochure. You think, wow, this is the right place to buy it from, right? Well, wrong. I'm going to dive in today what has happened with a client of mine here in Barrington so that you can sort of understand the value proposition of buying a high quality water filter system from a great company. Now, to kick it off, like I said, all you need to do is any company can get started today. You and me can get started today. Roll up our garage. We can buy these parts from a distributor, or we can even have the distributor assemble it all together, put it in our garage, come out to your house, lay out a brochure, and say, it's the greatest thing in the world. And if I'm a great salesperson, you might trust me and buy it. But wait a second, is it really the best deal? By the way, let's get into the real story, one of the real stories we had with a client here in Barrington. We had a client in Barrington where I was the person who went out to their house. And this was early on in my career at Angel Water. And I was like, I thought I did a great job. Got along great. She's like, I'll think about it. And I said, awesome. She called me back and she said, Andrew, I found this other company in next door town that was half your price. But you were so amazing. You're so passionate about taking care of my family with healthy water. I just wanted you to get the chance to match their price. And I was like, I'm sorry, our prices are really aggressive. What price were they at? I mean, if I bid you $7,000, that means they're $3,500, right? And she goes, exactly. And I was like, oh, wow. I'm like, I don't even know how that's possible. The parts cost me more. I don't even know how that's even possible. I go, can I ask you the name? They told me the name and I said, okay, I'm well versed with them. Here's my offer to you. Why don't you drive to their facility, because they left their address on their brochure, right? And she's like, no, their address is not on the brochure. Ding, ding, ding. If you have a flyer without an address, you might want to go check them out, like find out, do they have a facility? So I'm like, okay, well, why don't you call them and go visit them? If they have a true facility, go ahead and visit them. And if you go inside their facility, then drive over to our facility and you say, you trust them more than you trust us. I have a great deal. I'm going to buy that for you. So she goes, no problem. That's a great deal. She hangs up and she calls back a few minutes later and says, oh, Andrew, I'll go ahead and buy your system. They got very angry with me on the phone, said, you can't come over, and hung up on me. And I was like, there you go. I have another story. It's a very similar story. It's up in McHenry. Had a client say to me, oh, this other company, they have locations all over Chicago. I want to buy from you because your team did such a good job. I've seen your videos, Andrew. I love you. I really want to buy from you, but you're just too expensive. I was like, oh my goodness. I go, okay. I made the same offer. If you're in McHenry, they have a location in McHenry, right? And they said, yes. I go, great. If you go visit that company that's got all these locations over Chicago, go visit them. If you find that that facility exists and you can go in and buy that product, see it, touch it, feel it, smell it, I will buy you that system as well. That customer called me back about like the next day, I think it was the next day, and they said, oh, Andrew, you're right. They didn't have that. When I called them, they told me that I had to come to another facility that they swore had the equipment, but they really don't take customers in the back warehouse. And I'm like, well, there's the value proposition, right? Of course, I don't want you into a dirty warehouse. I'm not using addresses of all my employees. I mean, at Angel Water, we're the largest water treatment company in Chicagoland, in probably Illinois. 80 employees. We take care of customers. We have licensed plumbers. We're bonded. We're insured. So we can do that. So the secret in this industry is that you got to be careful and do your homework. I've told customers, I've had so many people online reach out to me, and what do they say? How do I know if this special dominator or this water monster, whatever it is the best product out there. And all I do is I say, can you give me their address from their website? And you wouldn't believe how many cases there's no website with an address. They have a great website, no address. So there's no way for the consumer to go there, touch it, feel it, smell it, shake the hands with the owner, make sure that it's clean environment, because it is, I don't know, your family's water that's going through it. It is a large investment for you, right? I had another client one time that said, I don't know if I have the time to drive around. I had a very similar conversation. And I said, well, when you buy a TV, do you go out and look at the TV? Do you touch it, watch it? I mean, it's a couple $1,000 investment, right? Well, you're making a several $1,000 investment into your family's well-being, and you want to get your money's worth, right? Well, how do we know your money's worth isn't just who's got the lowest price, it's about which is going to last the longest. And in this industry, the dirty little secret is whether it's Auto Troll, Fleck, or Clack, either they assembled it in their garage or they bought it from a distributor who assembled it in their warehouse, and then they sold it to the dealer, the guy out of his house. They may or may not have an address on their website, and then they're selling it to you. So a slick person walking in telling you that they got a better price doesn't always mean it's the best price. To me, NSF 44 certified equipment, licensed professionals with bonded and insured, that creates value. If you have any questions on this or you have any comments to share, we would love for you to put them down in the section. We'd love to be able to respond. Please go check yours out. One of the other features is how it's installed. You can check out our video on the proper way to install water filter systems, so you can double check how yours was installed. That creates extra value as well. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. Please give us a comment, a thumbs up, and like the video, and subscribe to our channel if we worked out well for you. Because as you know, my name is Drew, and I'm here to serve you.